Today, I'll take you on a tour of our Desku hardware factory, where we produce door hinges, and show you the production process. Firstly, we start with cutting. Stainless steel sheets are cut into two parts, 2-tooth and 3-tooth, using pneumatic punching machines. Next, we punch holes in the cut stainless steel sheets. Hinges are generally arc-shaped or Z-shaped for better load bearing, rarely in the shape of straight type. Then, we punch teeth into them to reserve space for bearing installation. After that, the teeth are formed into cylindrical shapes using a machine. Following that, left and right extrusions are done for convenient matching of left and right hinges. The next step is rolling, where the middle gap is compressed and made round. Followed by extruding teeth again. Then, the hinges are paired and temporary steel cores are inserted for subsequent processing steps. Edges are ground for a polished finish. Holes are drilled for screws to fit smoothly into the hinge. Next is finishing, where the hinges are satin stainless steel. Logos are imprinted. The temporary steel cores are taken out, where the hinge is equipped with bearings, lubricant oil, steel cores, and pin covers. Assembly is done. Additionally, we also support other custom requirements such as welding for accessories and surface color treatment. Finally, let's take a look at our hinge showroom. Thank you for watching.